nav bar for you. Like, so you're gonna have to hold on to me or put your hands on the tank. I won't do anything where you're uncomfortable.
We're gonna get up close and personal. I like it.
So try not to like lean into my back. Try to kind of have your head to the side. When we're going right, have it to the inside. When we go to the left, try to have it to the left, you know? Cool. He's never been on a motorcycle track before. Got the GoPro Hero 12 mounted up on the chin here. We got a mic in it, so hopefully this works. Okay, you all good?
You're all good? Let's go.
It's kind of janky here, this mount, but we were in a rush. This is Dylan's first time ever on the track. It's my first time ever given a 2-up ride. I'm just kidding.
Let's go.
I'll just sit here. Here, I think the best thing, here, you hop on really quick with me. Hop on. Okay, wrap your arms around me and try to just put your hands on the tank in here. Are you able to look to the side or no? Yeah. Okay, now just try holding me. Alright, and now look to the side. And make sure when we ride, you don't put any crazy inputs into the bike. Just kind of like me. Just go with, keep your body straight, and just use your head to look to the corner. You hold on pretty tight, but I'll ease into it. We'll do like 2 laps. Okay.
Yep. Let's go! Wow, that's insane. Oh shit. Wow. Let's go. Yes. Yes. Oh, shit. Oh, we're catching up to them. Easy. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Corkscrew coming up. Right away. Yeah, that's amazing. Oh, man. Oh, the outside pass. Do we have it? Oh, we do! Man, that cork root, so tight. Wow. Oh, yoy, yoy. This commentary is gonna sound great. Holy shit. Wow. Oh, we're right behind him. Holy shit. Wow! That was amazing!
You like it?
Ah, that was amazing! Holy shit!
Where's Ian at?
That was incredible! Woo! Oh.
How was it? That was pretty scary, actually, even for me.
How does it feel to have 190 pounds
Yeah,
behind you?
and a couple times I fell, I grabbed the brakes, and he's like, whoa!
I was like, fuck.
Are you coming down the corkscrew? I got on the gas, and you slid back, huh?
But bro, the corkscrew is so tight. I thought it was much longer. It's like fucking, it's crazy. That was amazing.
That was
Hey,
sick.
great riding.
Yeah.
Oh man, that was
Alright,
crazy. And
That was sick. I'm so glad you got to do that.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
that
of
was
course.
amazing.
That bike's actually pretty impressive.
It's impressive.
I've never rode it, and I was like, the first lap, I was like, all right, cold tires, never been on the bike. Second lap, we're like passing dudes on the outside. It was sick.
Oh, dude, that was so sick. But man, being on track and seeing that corkscrew
Yeah.
is just so different than on TV. On TV, you feel like you guys have so much time to like lean left, lean right.
No. And imagine going 30 seconds faster a lap.
Yeah, no, we're going so slow compared.
Well, the
crazy.
Multistrada V4 RS was not only sick on the track, but super good for a 2-up. So it's Laguna Seca approved. I mean, I started pushing at the end. The guys we were passing weren't like A group guys, but they were still moving.
Cool.
And we were smoking by them. I was shocked. So,
Dude, you got the guy on the outside. I was like, yeah, let's go.
yeah, that was fun, man. I honestly have only probably done like 5 2-ups in my life. So,
Wow.
but normally you have like a bar that you hold.
Oh, really?
It makes it
Okay.
a lot easier. So, yeah.
I got the hang of it by the end where I was like grabbing you with one arm and like hand on the tank on the other so that I could like not smash into you.
Yeah.
But man, that was ridiculous. Super interesting.
Thank
you
coming
for the
out.
ride.
Yeah.
Man, huge.
Thank you to Ducati and their DRE event for letting us go out and experience this. This is my buddy's first time ever on a motorcycle track. Definitely his first time ever on the back on a motorcycle track. So to do it at Laguna Seca on a private track was sick. So thank you, Ducati, and yeah, let's go.